will come a point where no job is needed. You can have a job if you want to have a job for sort of personal satisfaction, but the AI will be able to do everything.
AI is not the future, it is the present, and it's taking over everything. Imagine a world where AI runs businesses, performs surgeries, drives cars, and even creates art. That world isn't decades away. It's happening right now. In the next 10 years, AI will revolutionize every industry, making life more efficient, productive, and innovative than ever before. But what does this mean for us? Let's explore. AI in healthcare, superhuman doctors. AI-powered robots are already performing surgeries with near-perfect accuracy. Unlike human doctors, AI never gets tired, never makes emotional decisions, and can analyze millions of medical records in seconds. In the next decade, AI will diagnose diseases before symptoms even appear, creating a world where healthcare is faster, cheaper, and more precise. AI in business, the end of human CEOs? Imagine a company that runs itself. No human CEOs, no managers, just pure efficiency. AI-driven companies will make real-time decisions, optimize supply chains, and even predict market trends before they happen. The biggest businesses of the future? They won't just use AI, they'll be built entirely by it. AI in creativity. The next Picasso is a machine. Think AI can't be creative? Think again. AI is already writing books, composing hit songs, and even designing fashion. The biggest movies of the next decade? AI will write the scripts, create the actors, and direct the scenes. Creativity will no longer be a human trait. It will be a collaboration between man and machine. AI in transportation, no more human drivers. Truck drivers, taxi drivers, and pilots, your jobs are changing. AI-driven vehicles are already safer than humans, and in the next decade, traffic accidents could be a thing of the past. AI will control entire transport networks, making travel faster, safer, and more efficient than ever before. AI in government. The age of automated leadership. Corrupt politicians. Slow decision-making? AI will fix that. AI-driven governance can make unbiased, data-driven laws, optimize city infrastructure, and eliminate inefficiency. Some countries are already testing AI-powered legal systems, and in 10 years, AI could be making policy decisions that improve millions of lives. So, what does this mean for us? With AI handling routine tasks, humans will have more time for creativity, innovation, and personal growth. We are entering a new era where technology works for us. But is there a dark side? Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. AI could create job displacement, ethical dilemmas, and even security risks. But the solution isn't to fear AI, it's to adapt, evolve, and embrace the future. The next 10 years will be the most transformative in human history. AI is not just changing the world, it's building a new one. The question is, are we ready? Take care. Goodbye.